Are you talking? Are you talking? You talking, Miss Daisy? Oh, no, but I'll bite the phone. She'll bite the phone. Ooh.
A little too tall, could've used a few pounds. Tight pants, points, hollering out. She was a black-haired beauty with big dark eyes, and points on her own, sitting way up high.
You see, Miss Edie Bird? Edie Bird, you talking? Are 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 you working on your night moves? You working on your night moves? Are you doing that? Are you doing that? Oh, whoa! Night moves! Night moves! Oh, look at those eyes. She's just thinking about stuff. I'm thinking about stuff. I'm thinking. Yeah. What is going on? That wasn't loud at all. That wasn't loud at all. No, it wasn't.